Hello, in my last video I talked about Croatian inventions, which changed the world. And right at the beginning I said that we all know who Nikola Tesla is. And I do not want to start another war in the Balkans. You know what I mean. I simply wanted to tell the story of how there were many important inventors in Serbia. Or at least that they are Serbs by nationality. Simply put, in the shadow of Nikola Tesla, some important Serbian scientists are lagging behind. But, first of all, let's see our logo. There you go. Okay, now let's continue. The first inventor was Nikola Bozovic. He invented the first handheld hair clipper. You may be wondering how the inventor came up with that very idea? Well, Bozovic was not an inventor. He was an ordinary barber. When he invented the machine, everyone considered him an absolute idiot. So he moved to America, a similar story from somewhere. And there he achieved a career and died as a very rich man. Still a similar story from somewhere. Well, Bozovic is still a Serb, so he stayed on our list. And we move on. Our next inventor is Ognjislav Kostić Stepanovic, also a Serb, who succeeded outside the borders of Serbia. And I say again, a very familiar story. Never mind. Ognjislav invented the first seaplane. In addition, he invented carbonite, quite by accident looking for material for a seaplane. He created sketches of the first helicopters, and in addition the man was a captain. Where did he get all this time? And that's not all. One of his biggest discoveries was a gasoline engine with an electric start. A very successful man. And he received many accolades for it. So let's move on. The famous Mihailo Pupin and of course, Pupin's coil have no less place for the merits of fame. This theory has brought great changes in the field of electrical engineering. Pupin's coil increased the transmission distance of telephone signals. In other words, it reduced the noise that occurs as a side effect. But that is just one of the inventions. Mihailo has 25 registered patents in various fields. Most likely, today's technology would not have succeeded without these inventions. There are many discoveries in the history, not only of Serbia but also of the world. But I would love for the end to go further into close history. And he would talk about a successful discovery. It may not be revolutionary but it is very successful. We've all heard of Top 11, haven't we? If you've ever wondered, that game was produced by Nordeus. Okay, we know that. However, Nordeus is a Serbian company. And if you ask me, one very successful company, with a successful game. With 250 employees and a price of $17.5 million. This company was bought by the American Take-Two company. Perhaps Nordeus cannot be measured with Tesla. But she still achieved world results. Also, Serbia is by no means a country to underestimate. A lot has been discovered with her help. Bye.